Hello guys, in this video I'll explain a very important concept of collision which is important as far as numericals are concerned. So this concept says that when two equal masses collide elastically with each other, then their velocities which are on the line of impact gets interchanged with each other. So it is very important to note that what is the line of impact? First of all, this is the line of impact on which the collision is occurring. So all the velocities before and after collisions are on the line of impact itself. And before collision, the velocity of first mass, this one, is u1 and second mass is u2. After collision, let's suppose that the velocity of the first mass is v1 and velocity of the second mass is v2. So we need to find out v1 and v2 in terms of u1 and u2. So first of all, we balance the momentum and it says that mu1 plus mu2 is equal to mv1 plus mv2. So the equation will be u1 plus u2 is equal to v1 plus v2. This is the first equation. Now the second equation would be derived from the definition of coefficient of restitution, and due to the fact that this is a elastic collision, therefore the value of E should be 1, and its definition says that E is the ratio of relative velocity after collision to the relative velocity before collision. So the relative velocity after collision is v2 minus v1 and the relative velocity before collision is u1 minus u2, and that is equal to 1. So v2 minus v1 is equal to u1 minus u2, and this is the second equation. Now if we add up these two equations, 1 plus 2, then it is 2v2 is equal to this is 2u1 and v2 is equal to u1. And if you substitute this value of v2 in any of the equation, then you would be getting that v1 would be equal to u2, which means that the final velocity of object 1 is the initial velocity of object 2, and final velocity of object 2 is the initial velocity of object 1. So this is the concept in which if two equal masses collides elastically, then their velocities which are on the line of impact gets interchanged with each other. So this was the proof. Thank you.